Josephine Lukamika Ngode, Eloilo Ilomalia Peter, Joyce Wangeshi Kaminju, Phyllis Wakio Matere.
More than 300 youth enrolled at Miramar International College for a course in agricultural production using hydroponics have graduated.
Sororo Samarik, Victor Kibet Kipkulei, Ezra Muendo Muendi.
The students completed a 3-month farming program that equipped them with hands-on skills for agricultural production of quality crops.
We use this method called the craft system. So we got a tank down there where you put the nutrients, and when you switch on the pump, you take the nutrients up on the mixing tank. From there, when you put off the machine, through the force of gravity, the nutrients you run through the pipe over there to the end, and through these strips, the plant is able to accept the nutrients.
The hydroponics technology eliminates soil in the process of farming, illustrating that food can be grown anywhere, provided there is water to deliver nutrients.
With hydroponic farming, you can achieve at any level because you are using science. That's why I'm challenging you, when you go home, teach your people in your village, in your county, that hydroponic farming will be the answer to our food security issues, to youth employment and empowerment, because you grow food anywhere. It doesn't matter where it is. So let us use science to solve some of the most nagging problems we have in this country.
The graduating students were the first cohort of 1,000 candidates who will undergo the farming skills program for employability. The program, dubbed Improving Employability Through Hydroponics Technology, is a partnership between Equity Bank, GIZ, and the Technical and Vocational Miramar Institute.
The learning has been great. The learning has been transforming, because since I was in high school, my dream has been to study agriculture. Na lazima nishukuru sana the 3 organizations that have come together to give us this education.
There's a lot of imports of food, and now that you know that you're able to practice this hydroponic farming in our own homes, and also using like the resources that we have, we are going to be very productive.
Equity Bank Associate Director, Agribusiness, Esther Mwiruri, encouraged the youth to join their peers in groups to encourage one another in formal agribusiness.
I have already formed groups which are like registered companies, so that you can be able to encourage one another, and you can be able to work together, and you can be able also to spread the risks. Because if you are unaware today, your colleague will be able to go and take care of the greenhouse. When you are busy doing something else, your colleague can come. And that is the same spirit of partnership we are talking about here.
It's good to have a bank like Equity watching your back, isn't it? Thank you so much. These young people are looking forward to moving to the next stage of the program.
The component leader for the GIZ Employment for Development Program, Priska Kithuka, said that training in hydroponics technology was aimed at getting the youth to be self-employed.
So far, we have about 98 registered companies. And within the registered companies that you have, it cannot work if you do not work together as a team. You are directors of companies already, so you can be able to make money, even not only from the greenhouses that will be put up by the money that you're going to get from Equity, but also maybe from where you stay. Sindio, if you go around this farm, there are many different innovations that we have that you can be able to uptake at home and be able to produce your crop hydroponically using very simple innovations.
As the students were released to the field of agribusiness, they were encouraged to be optimistic and work hard to reap the benefits of the skills learned.
How many of you have a stubborn desire to succeed? Mtu akikwambia hey, itawezekani, naambia wewe wachana naye tu. Let me do my thing. Sindio? And that's where you surround yourself with positive thinkers.
Approach this from a positive attitude, to see the good side of life, that you wake up in the morning, you are in good health, you can be able to the greenhouse, you can be able to look at how the crop is doing, you can see how it was last week, how it is now, and appreciate that. You'll be able to progress, you'll be able to pay for your first greenhouse, you'll buy another greenhouse on your own, and you'll be able to create more employment.
Miramar International College is licensed as a Technical and Vocational Education and Training (TVET) institute. The college is situated in Kikuyu, Kiambu County, where it trains students on a wide range of technical courses.